Guys, mag-play muna tayo ng video ni Ma'am Shen. Ma'am Shen Piano Salon sa TV. Yan. Doon tayo mag-play sa television. Sa powered by my laptop na sira. Powered by laptop na damage. Anyway, let's select Ma'am Shen video, yung pinaka-oldest kasi mayroon oldest videos tayo mayroon magandang mga tugtugin. Yan. Okay. Maya konti kasi sira yung sira yung TV namin. Yung laptop. I need to buy all stuff. That's why we have to work hard. So, saan tayo pili ng bagong old video. This one, old video ni Ma'am Shen. Ito. One moment. Beethoven. So, Beethoven Piano Sonata number 23 ang title. Ang title pa is Appassionata. Yan. So, while eating, let's watch Ma'am Shen video. Yan. Bata pa si Ma'am Shen dyan. That's the it's an old video from Ma'am Shen. So, while watching the video, let's eat this one. Sira talagang yung laptop, guys. Nag-green ang kulay. Yan, mayroon talaga. Maganda sana pag may sounds, kaya lang mapakapira tayo. So, don't forget to watch the new and latest and old video of Ma'am Shen. Mga classic yan, classic videos. Yan. Galing talaga si Ma'am Shen, no? Anyway, kain tayo. Kain at saka mag-shout out din tayo while watching Ma'am Shen video. Yan. Shout out tayo, ha? Eating and shout out. Kain mo tayo. Sorry for the guys. Nagkukulay green siya. The source of this video is from laptop. The monitor was damaged. The system is damaged. That's why the outcome is not so good. But now, it's okay. May green lang siya konti. Ano talaga, sira na yung laptop namin. Shout out mo tayo while watching Ma'am Shen's performance. That's it, guys. Tapos na. Tapos na si Ma'am Shen. Meron siyang video sa taas. Ito. Tugtog ito. Title of the video is don't forget to remember me sa Beatles videos. Okay. So, nag-loading pa. Kaya mo tayo. Yan, no? Galing nga. This is my last video guys sa eating contest ng mango at saka corn. Mag-shout out mo tayo. Shout out Ma'am Shen. I play one of your videos, two of your videos, Bee Gees and Sonata. Then, shout out tayo. Ito si, shout out yan si Bagyam, yan, Auntie, Muchan, yan, si, shout out natin yan. Shout out. Hirapan ako magbasa doon hardly read that. Sorry guys. Shout out din tayo kay Ans. Yan. Sa simple video, shout out. Shout out tayo kay Nature's Nature's sino ba? Hello my friends, enjoy your I have some health problems so I can see more videos to this, but your 4 videos really was. Okay, thank you ma'am. So Nature's Beauty Travels, shout out. Get well soon. I'm have an asthma. It's very hard these days because it's very hot. The place is very hot. That's why my asthma is keep attacking. Ganun talaga. Siya rin may sakit din si Ma'am Nature's and Travel. So get well soon. Nature's and Travel. Shout out si Caballero Aidim. Yan si Ma'am. Kita na yung face ni Ma'am. Oh. Yan. Bee-Gees to, Bee-Gees. So, don't forget to subscribe Ma'am Shen channel, and then Caballero Aidim. We have also Healing Live. Shout out also to Nature's Serenity.